Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to connect another controller to play WWE 2K18, I mean local multiplayer. So you can play with your friend, okay, local multiplayer, one-on-one, I mean 1 versus 1. So 2 players. As of now in this video I'm going to show 2 players, okay. So I have this Pro controller, or you can use, if you have any other previous Nintendo Switch, you can use this Joy-Con as well. So basically what I'm going to do is, it's very simple. It's a basically 2 controller, right? So first I'm going to pair it. In order to pair it, right, I need to bring it to pairing mode, this one. So press and hold this button, okay, pairing button, press and hold. Here it should be blinking like this. Okay, if it is blinking like this, right, then fine. Now we need to go to settings. Under settings, go to controllers and accessories, and here I'm going to choose change grip or order. Okay, here now it's detected. I need to press and I need to press this L and R button together, which means it's detected. Okay, now I need to tap A. That's it, friends. Now I can use this controller to play WWE 2K18. So I'm going to open it. So choosing the user. Now I'm going to remove, okay, this controller. Removed. I'm going to attach with this controller. Okay, yes, it's attached. So it's attached. So I'm going to use these 2 controllers. Okay, cool. Even I can use this. Okay, keypad. Now I'm going to show one-on-one. So one-on-one. So I'm going to choose extreme. Sorry. Okay, I choose something. Okay, whole spread match. So now you can see this. I can move as a second player. See? And also I can use this Joy-Con. Okay, and I'm gonna choose okay, I'm going to choose Undertaker here. Undertaker! So for second player, right? Choose that, second player. Okay, I'm gonna Triple H. So entrance, I'm going to turn it off. So that's it, friends. Now this is the first player and second player. Super cool. Now it's ready. So see this? I can use both the controllers.
Strong Irish whip, just too much here. Let's touch on Undertaker a bit. Oh man, talk about a hard landing.
Now it's turned to Triple H, so I'm going to take another controller.
Giants, immortals, the undead, warriors, legendary champions, Olympic heroes, they've all fallen to the pedigree from the King of Kings, Triple H.
So that's it, friends.
Not going to win many matches with that move. Corey, something I've observed over the years from this seat is what...
So that's it, friends. Now you can play local multiplayer in another Switch too with this WWE 2K18. So definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks, media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.